What would you do if I died? Would you get married again?
Definitely not.
Why not? Don't you like being married?
Of course I do.
Then why you wouldn't remarry again?
Okay, I'd get married again.
You would? Would you live in our house?
Sure, it's a great house.
Would you sleep with her in our bed?
Where else would we sleep?
Would you let her drive my car?
Probably. It is almost new.
Would you replace my picture with her?
That would seem like proper thing to do.
Would you give her my jewelry?
No, I am sure she'd want her own.
Would she use my golf club?
No, she's left-handed.